What is up, YouTube? This is Braden from Custom RC Crawlers, and today I will be going over my Class 2 and a couple other projects I have, actually. Class 2 here. I do not remember if I changed tires from last time, but I do have the TSL Super Swampers, and you can see a little something poking out there, and that is because I did switch to a Ford motor mount and tcase. Now this let me find it here. Name on that is, this is a Squints RC Squints Speed and Performance Ford motor mount for the ATL here. And I do have a couple other things to do. I do need to either get a different motor or something so that's not so sticking out. But I did go with the OG tcase from Team Garage Hack. Now, I do like it so far. I do like the Ford motor mount so far. I am waiting on a different skid from Brazin Scale RC. As some of you may have known, if you guys do watch their live stream, he did announce that a batch of 200 skids were defective, and I was one to point it out to him to let him know that, hey, I asked him if this was normal, and I was basically just pushing the screw right on through the skid, and I'm waiting for a replacement. But I think it's going to be here soon, so I will get that swapped over from this one. And also, I do plan on getting a different servo winch for this, and a couple other things for the body that have not came in yet. I do plan on doing the Mamba X2, but I have not gotten the battery lead. There we go. And that is it for Class 2. Now, here's the VS410 I have. As you can see, it's been stripped down. I do plan on getting the correct set of links from Vanquish, so their stainless kit eventually, along with the Vanquish to Air 45 straight axles, or I may just go with their straight axle F10s. I have not quite decided. I do want to make some different things. I also am getting a special order or something here soon from Brazin. I'm hoping to get their mullet chassis here soon too. As you guys may have seen, they did come out with a new chassis, the mullet chassis, and I do plan on building a couple out of them. Now, I did repurpose or redo my high-low just for something, just to have it. And I am using my Air 44s. I am going to use the 2-low and the skid for this. That reminds me, I need to find my 2-low. I don't remember where I put it. But I did get this somewhat built. I do need to finish it. I do want to run this one again. I really did like the high-low. I do also have a new 3D printer, and I will be going over in another video why you may want a 3D printer for RC crawling. Now, I've already designed some stuff, as you guys seen, along as my fuel cell that I have in all 3 classes in the bed. Along with, I've designed a couple other things that I don't think I've shown on here. At least I don't think. If I do, I'll post it up in the comments. But let me know if you guys may want to see why I have 3D printers, and why I like them so much, and why I have bought 3. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Peace.